So for this server, we had a few hard drives that had tested bad. We also have a RAID card that has tested bad. A replacement RAID card will need to be provided. A thorough cleaning of the server will have to be done before this goes back to the customer. And drives will have to be replaced, and the RAID 5 array for this system will have to be rebuilt. This is a server that was in a recycling factory. This is a situation where it has, over the years, ingested a lot of dust. Now, we do suggest to our customers, to installers, that part of selling a server to a customer is not only providing the server and making sure that it's running and then walking away, but they should come back on a yearly or maybe a bi-yearly schedule to do some standard maintenance where they clean the inside of the server just to keep it running at its peak performance.